Hi there and welcome to the 10th and final video in our Introduction to onCourse series. In this one I'll be showing you how to print out a certificate of attendance. So certificates in onCourse are powered by PDF reports, which are a part of onCourse's automation features. And when you combine that with a script we have called send certificate creator notification, then the system can recognize when a class is finished, and the next day will generate a certificate for that student and upload it to their portal for them to download and print out, do with whatever they wish. And that's probably the most common way that these certificates are generated in the system, but there are going to be times when you're going to need to do this manually, and so I'm going to show you how to do that now. You can see here on the page in front of you, this is actually our default certificate of attendance record that just has a simple background. So the reports and backgrounds are kept separately, or uploaded separately, but we'll cover those in another video in the future. So most commonly, there's two places that you can print these from. You can either print them for the entire class from the class window, or you can print them per enrollment from the enrollments view. So what we're going to do here is I'll first show you the class method. So we're in the class list. Probably going to want to filter out so we're only seeing finished classes, because obviously you only want to give certificates for classes that are finished. I'm going to type in bread so we can find our bread baking class, and here is the class that has finished already. It's 5 enrollments. I'm just going to highlight this and come down to the share menu, which is this icon down here. And we'll click that, and you can see that there's a bunch of different reports in here. There's also Excel exports if I wanted to go in there, but we don't need that right now. I'm just going to scroll down, and I can see here that the certificate of attendance is actually already selected. So we'll click that. You can select a background from this list. It will save whatever background you select last time. So in this case, it's saved this one, and I'm just going to hit share. And this will do its thing. And there you can see it's gone and created 5 of these, and you can print these out and hand them out to each student if that's what you want to do. An alternate way of doing this, if you want to do one enrollment at a time, or you don't need to do each student, is we can just find the enrollments for this class. So you can either go into the class record and click the successful and queued button here, or from the list view we can highlight this and we can use the find related tool, where we can just click this icon, find related, and then click all enrollments, and that will open the enrollments window. And let's say that Jimbo here is the one that needs his certificate printed out, so I can just highlight Jimbo, and we'll come down to the share menu, and we can just find our certificate of attendance. You can see there the background is already selected, and we'll hit share, and there it is. And that is how you go about creating and generating certificates of attendance in onCourse. Hope you've enjoyed this series. Hope it's been useful for you. We'd love any feedback that you can provide, so please feel free to join us on our forums, and we'll speak to you there. Cheers.